Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Alia wig by Jon Renau. This is in one of my favorite reds from that line, the 130/31. Now, they don't really offer this color in many wigs, but I've owned a Giselle in this color, and it looks gorgeous on that one too. So hopefully Jon Renau watches this and they're like, hey, maybe we should bring this color out in other styles too. Hint. Hint. Okay, because it's super pretty on. And before I take the cap off to show you the cap construction, I'll take this wig into the sunshine so that way you can see how pretty this one is. It just pops when the light hits it. I'm gonna back up a little bit, see if I can get a little bit more sunshine on it. But see how pretty that is? It's such a rich, gorgeous, sort of definite auburn shade. I once talked to some of the folks at Jon Renau while we were out to dinner and you know, I told them, you know, I wish you had more of these auburn shades, and they were like, well, have you tried the shaded peach? Well, I love shaded peach, don't get me wrong, it's one of my favorite wig colors ever, but shaded peach is very, you know, it's kind of like an auburn brown. It's not really red. And sometimes when people buy reds, they want this. They want it to look, you know, red. They don't want it to look like a demure kind of brown color with a little bit of auburn in for kicks. They want it to look like, hey, you're a ginger, you know, and that's what you get with this color. I'm gonna go back into the shade now and we're gonna talk some specs. Alia is not one of their newer styles. It's been around for quite some time, but it's a classic. It's one that a lot of people really love because it's one of those shag bob hybrids. You know, it's like shag in the back and then a bob in the front, which is basically the best way to describe it, because look at the front. Definitely lays like a classic bob, hugs the face, very, very flattering. And then when I turn around, you see it kind of flares. It kind of flips. Sort of like a shag. So again, it's a hybrid cut. This one is a lace front with a monofilament top, and I find this one very, very comfortable on. So the front on Alia is 9 inches, so it's quite long. You know, it's bob basically in the front. The crown down is 10.5 inches, heavily layered. The sides are 5.5. And the nape is 8, but it flips in the back, so hopefully you could see that. The weight is only 3.3 ounces, so it's really nice and light on. Let me go ahead and take Alia off now so I can show you the cap construction. So again, Alia is a lace front, monofilament top wig, little bump of permatease right at the crown, also open wefted on the back and sides with an extended felt nape. Also has Velcro adjusters in the back, as well as felt here on the ear tabs. So let me show you the lace front on Alia real quick. This is a smart lace front, which means it starts off kind of sparse right at the front hairline and then gradually gets thicker the closer you get to the mono top. Now the monofilament features are transparent, so you can see that seam, you can see the wig cap, but you can use a little bit of translucent powder to kind of fill that in and blend it a bit if you like. Or concealer works really nice for that as well. So yeah, you can see why Alia is so popular. She's really easy to wear, comes in a wide variety of colors, has a really nice lace front. This is basically one of the Jon Renau classic styles, and it's one of their best sellers over a really long period of time. People really love this one. Also comes in a petite cap size, which is awesome. So this again has been the Alia wig by Jon Renau in the color 130/31. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Please check out my wig store if you get a chance, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.